Good evening. Welcome to the Daily Stock Market Update. The DACX remained flat today, marginally gaining 4.07 points or 0.06% and settled at 6,758 points. Mega turnover was BDT 11.16 billion, which is an increase of 39.27% compared to the previous trading day. UCB and Dutch Bangla Bank from the banking sector, Robi and Bangladesh Submarine Cable from the telecommunication sector, and Lafarge Holcim and Heidelberg Cement from the cement sector mainly dragged the market down today. On the other hand, Beacon Pharmaceuticals and Renata from the pharmaceutical sector, British American Tobacco and Tawfiqa Foods from the food and allied sector, and IPDC IDLC Finance from the NBFI sector mainly pulled the market up today, keeping the market flat. In terms of sector-wise return, the NBFI sector registered the highest gain of 0.99%, while the tannery sector posted the second highest gain of 0.79%. On the other hand, the banking sector registered the highest loss of 0.76%. 5 food and allied companies and 5 general insurance companies were among the top 20 gainers today. JMI Hospital Requisite, Yakin Polymer and IPDC Finance registered the highest gain, while United Commercial Bank, Jamuna Bank and Imam Button were the top losers. JMI Hospital Requisite made its trading debut today. Investors exerted selling pressure on both United Commercial Bank and Jamuna Bank stocks as their earnings and net operating cash flow per share registered a decline compared to the previous year. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for the remaining stocks. The trading volume of IPDC Finance, Phoenix Finance, First Mutual Fund and ACML Lecture Equity Management Fund increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of the remaining stocks. Today's top 2 news. After observing an upward trend for the first 8 months of the current fiscal year, private sector credit growth declined by 0.35 percentage points in February compared to the previous month. The Russian-Ukraine war had some impact on imports, which in turn impacted credit growth. However, February's growth is still 10.72% higher year-on-year. Private sector credit growth has been reviving since the economy reopened after the lockdown was lifted last year. The figure still continues to remain below Bangladesh Bank's target of 14.8% for the current fiscal year. Even if private sector credit growth fell in February, it is expected to surge in March due to higher expected imports before Eid. The government has made a decision to buy 33.60 lakh metric million British thermal unit liquefied natural gas at the cost of USD 35 per unit, which is $1 less than the last purchase price. Previously, the government was uncertain regarding the volatility of global energy prices amid the Russian-Ukraine war. However, as the situation has shown some improvement, global energy prices are expected to decline more in the upcoming days. That's all for today. We will be back again next week with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.